invite you now to sit comfortably for this guided meditation, sitting upright as is comfortable for your body. And let's take a nice, long, cleansing, deep breath. And as you exhale, you allow your body to relax and to let go. Relax and let go. Give yourself permission to take time, the most important time you can take for yourself, to grow, to connect with who you really are. So often we're caught up in our mind and our thinking, addicted to thoughts. Meditation is a time to move beyond thinking, to become a witness of our thoughts, become a witness of our emotions, rather than caught up in them, to regain the awareness of who we are, spiritual beings. Expressions of consciousness. As Jesus said, the light of the world. You are the light of the world. This works with science these days, where they say that there's a field of light out of which all things flow. Jesus was telling us thousands of years ago, you are the light of the world. You're an expression of that light. So let's know that and feel that today, right now. And we let our bodies relax, and we let go of unnecessary tensions. We say to every muscle in our body, relax, relax. We let the feet relax, the calves relax, the thighs relax, the chest, the arms, the back. All letting go. Relaxing the muscles in your neck, the front, the back, the sides. Moving awareness into the face, relaxing the jaw, the cheeks, the eyes, the ears, the nose, the lips, the tongue, the forehead, the scalp. From the top of your head to the bottoms of your feet, letting go, letting go, letting go, letting go, letting go. Relaxing. Then scanning your body and looking to see, is there still any place that needs to let go? You might want to just gently tense and release. Let go. Good. Amazing to think about that the Creator, the source of all, is sourcing you right now, is being you right now. You are being you. You are God, being God as you right now. And as the waves of the mind become calm and quiet, we begin to experience more and more of the peace that passes all understanding. So now let's practice. Let's practice observing the breath. When you watch your breath, you're not in your thoughts. When you watch your breathing, you're in the present. So feel the breath moving in and flowing out of your nasal passages. And when your mind wanders, which it will over and over again, just bring it back to watching the breathing. Developing that witness consciousness, that objective awareness. And now taking a nice long deep breath. And imagine that you are light. See and feel the radiance of light being you. Imagine that you had on a costume right now. You have a mask on, you have a costume, and you take the mask off, and you take the costume off, and that costume is your body. Imagine that like your body is a costume. You take off the face, you take off your entire costume, and all you see is light. Being of light. A radiant, brilliant expression of light. Wholeness, perfection. And now put the costume of your body back on. Your face, your whole body. And now continue to feel the radiance of that light shining forth. Feel the cells tingling from the radiance of your light. Feel that that light flows forth from you, filling the room where you are, establishing harmony, peace, joy in all those around you. And from this awareness of light, project that light to your loved ones and friends. Know that they are light beings, beings of light. We include all those whose names have been submitted to Unity for prayer. Beings of light, wholeness, radiance, brilliance. And we expand and include our earth in this light, all the animals, all the people. And we imagine this light expanding to infinity throughout the galaxy, throughout the universe. Nothing but light everywhere present. And we bring our awareness now back to the body, back to the room where we are. Moving toes, moving fingers, feeling the floor beneath us, the chair beneath us, hearing the sounds around us. Coming back into the now moment, into the physical world, transformed from within. Somehow, in some way, a little more weight to our reality of who we are, spiritual being. And just know there's no such thing as a bad meditation. Any time of stillness where you, even if your mind is just going wild, that's still good because you noticed it. And that's good. And so it is. Amen. Thank you for meditating with me. Remember to subscribe to my channel for more meditations as they go live. Click above for a list of previous meditations so that you can meditate with me on your own time, anytime.